You make delicious food and your customers love it. But how will you spread the word further and grow? Marketing your business is as important as learning new recipes. In this video, we will discuss 5 important marketing strategies. Word of mouth marketing is an age-old recipe for success. You can incentivize your existing customers to spread a word about your business within their networks. These incentives can be in the form of a discount, a complimentary food item on their next order. To market your business in your city, you can join local food groups on WhatsApp and Facebook. These groups have both buyers and sellers on it. You can join such food groups and post about your dishes and seasonal offers there. Brand partnerships is an effective way to attract new customers. You can partner with other food businesses to sell combos or just feature each other on social media. This will help in creating awareness about your brand in their network, and you may end up receiving orders from their customers too. Just make sure you don't pick a food business that is in direct competition with you. Foodies love to attend food festivals and pop-ups, and this can be a great opportunity for you to market your business. Food festivals happen across many cities in India. In fact, many apartment complexes also allow food stalls during the festive season. Alternatively, you can host a food pop-up where you can invite people into your neighborhood to sample your food. You can charge a nominal entry for such pop-ups if you like. And you can even hand out flyers or business cards to the customers who visit your food stall or pop-up. It is a good practice to note down the contact details of these customers to keep them informed of new dishes and seasonal offers if you have any. Having a digital presence can ease business discovery organically. To do so, you can list your business on Google and create a business page on social media platforms. Here you can post your dish pictures, menus, and ask your customers to write reviews. So these were 5 effective strategies to market your business. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like and share it with others as well. See you next time.